Today we're showing you a 2023 John Deere 5090E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat and air. Tractor has a John Deere 540M quick attach front loader that goes right with it. Tractor barely has any hours. It's got right around 15 hours, so the tractor is practically new. It does come with the balance of the factory John Deere warranty. And again, the loader is the 540M. That's your heavier duty loader for these 5E tractors. Has the global style hookup here for your bucket connection. 7-foot heavy duty front bucket. As you can see, there's hardly any paint out of the bucket. Front grill guard is with the tractor. Paint looks new. Has the corner post exhaust. Tires look new. Does have the single point connector here for your loader hose connection for your loader quick attach there. 18430 on the back tires. Rear work lights, has double remotes back here. Complete 3-point with top link, drawbar, and stabilizer bars. Has the 540 and the 540E PTO. Very, very nice tractor. Just about as close to new as we are going to be able to find for you. Very, very sharp tractor. Inside the cab, still smells new in here. Has the air ride seat, has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand reverser here allows direction changes without clutching. 12-speed transmission. Tractor has 3 ranges and 4 gears, giving you a total of 12 speeds. And on your loader, hydraulic, PTO, 3-point controls, all located directly to the right of the seat. Up top, you're going to have your climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. And again, just about as close to new as we can find for you. Only 15 hours. And again, does come with the full remaining warranty there from John Deere, which runs into December of 2028. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We normally have about 120 to 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.